Best Multimedia Execution, Sol Beer Summer Sessions, Today Network, Southern Cross, Austereo. Sol, it's the beer they drink in Mexico and now Australia. Thanks to the multimedia execution Southern Cross Austereo delivered. Our challenge? To promote Sol Beer as the summer beer of choice in Australia and make some noise in line with their social media strategy. So, we gave them a big thumbs up and took on the challenge. The solution? A wristband, but more on that later. We created a series of rooftop concerts starring Jason Derulo, Stan Walker and Jess Malboy, and The Kids Wear Crowns. The campaign started on air with localised workday mechanics on B105, Today FM and Fox FM, plus the Hot 30 Countdown. With the power of radio, word spread across our listeners' social networks and beyond. We created a microsite on the Sol Beer Facebook page for listeners to enter, turning it into one big Facebook sharefest. In an Australian radio first, we armed winners with RFID wristbands on arrival. And what the RFID is that? A digital access pass giving the wearer the ability to check into Facebook throughout the event and share their experience. Then, all they had to do was have a great night. Winners had automatic status updates checking into the Hot 30 Sol Summer Session. Plus, professional photographers took care of all the pics from the night. So, all the winners had to do was scan their wristbands and the photo was automatically uploaded to their Facebook page and posted on the Hot 30 and Sol Beer Facebook pages. And the stats? They're worth sharing too. We had 280 check-ins posted to Facebook at the events, a Facebook reach of over 36,400, over 2,500 photos posted to Facebook, and over 1.15 million estimated social media impressions. And while we're sharing, here's something the client said.
Sol, as a brand, is all about enhancing social situations for young people. The Sol Summer Sessions bring together the best of entertainment to create a truly enhanced social experience for our target audience.
The Today Network plus the Sol Summer Sessions plus RFID wristbands equals one big like.